Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Friday, May 31st. We're going to start things off looking here at the Nasdaq 100, which finished the day, the week, and the month, perched atop this Voodoo fire line at 18,611. And that's notable because within the Voodoo lines, these fire lines are the most important levels, and if we can stay above that level, then that is an encouraging bullish sign. Now, prior to today, we had remained above it for a couple of weeks, but had a pretty nasty scare here. It was caught up at this minor line, the skyline. These are a small degree line, and generally, if we are going to turn down from an important level, and give it up, we're going to see action break those minor degree levels. We can look back for something similar, right back here at what was what were all-time highs back at the time, similar to all-time highs here, and you can see that that things got caught up again at a minor level on the underside of the Voodoo tree line. These are second degree levels, not quite as important as fire lines, but still quite important. And you can see that sent us up to higher highs. So I can't tell you for sure that we're going to continue up, but if we do hold support here, next target up is a little above 19,000, where we have the next skyline up. And if it can parlay that into support above, we can keep focusing on additional upside. So I want to keep an eye on that into next week. Now, I'm even more focused on what we can see in the S&P 500, which is also showing very systematic movement from level to level to level. So after being above its Voodoo tree line, again, remember, the second most important, but a very important level, we came back and broke it ever so briefly here earlier today, before quickly recovering. And so again, notice that we're finishing the day, the week, and the month above this very important level. A level we reached after coming down from the skyline. You'll remember a minor level, but the fact that the visit to the tree line roughly held suggests we're heading back up and likely taking out this 53.24 level. So just like with the NAS holding support above that skyline, we bumped into it here, in the middle, had a very brief spike above that didn't hold. But if we can next time around find support above, that targets minimally, right, 53.88, the next skyline above, and support above there targets the snow line just shy of 5,500 at 54.90. So those are the levels that I will be keeping my eye on. If we do somehow fail the tree line before getting higher, and the price action that we've seen here today causes me to think that's not likely. But if for some reason we do, it would take a move back below this lower skyline and resistance below it to suggest that this was working downwards from that tree line level. So that's what I'm going to be watching in the S&P 500 because of the price action today, and notably because we did recover the tree line. I've been hanging on to my relatively large long book. I do think that we do have yet higher to go, and the Voodoo lines are useful in staying on track. So I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at a future update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.